Hi folks, in this little video I just want to show you PythonAnywhere, which we're going to be using later in this course, but you might as well get started and get a little familiar with it. PythonAnywhere is just a sort of a cloud environment in which you can create Python programs and share them with other people. And you also host Flask application, not Flask, Python run web application, which we'll be doing later in the semester. So think of it a bit like if you use JSBin or JSBin or JSFiddle, which should give you cloud abilities to run JavaScript programs. PythonAnywhere allows you to do it with Python programs. So to get started, what you do is just go to pythonanywhere.com and then you sign up. I'm just going to log in. You log in here. And then you're presented here with this dashboard. Eventually we'll be making some web apps, which is this column. But for now you just have files here, and you can go browse your files, and maybe let's create a new file here. I'm going to put it in my Tinker folder. You might want to put yours, but anywhere. I'm going to create a file here. Demo.py, new file. And then let's drop in some code here, just copying and pasting it in, and I'm going to save it. And this is just a simple program that uses a Python function to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. We've already seen this formula before, but we've never wrapped it in an actual function. You can see how it is. It's pretty intuitive. I'll be showing this later in the week for the Hangman assignment. So let's go ahead and try to run this file. And you might get something like this, which says console limit reached. And so this is easy to, let's go. So you have to actually run these programs within consoles. Let's go back to our dashboard. And what you can see is this is where your dashboards are listed, and in the free mode you only get two consoles. So I'm going to go ahead and kill one of my consoles. And now if we go back to my program, let's just navigate back to the program, browse files, and go to Tinker, and then demo. Now if I run it, you'll see a console open down below here. It takes a little while to sort of spin up, and it's just outputting the program. So pretty simple. Nice thing is you can share these programs with other people that are logged in to their own PythonAnywhere accounts. So I'll get a sharing link here and share it. And so I can share this with all of you, and actually I will send it to you. But the difference between this and say JSBin or JSFiddle is that you actually have to be logged in to PythonAnywhere to look at these files. So when I actually send this to you, it'll prompt you to go to PythonAnywhere. If you don't have an account, you can create it. Otherwise, you can just log in with your account. And I'll show you just one other feature for the time being. If you go to your account, if you go back to dashboard, and then if you go up to your account, and then you go to teacher, you can enter your teacher's name here, their username, and then I would be able to see everything in your accounts. So that would be an easy way to share something with me. This might be a feature you want to use. If you do, just put in L Fernandez here, and then on my own account I'll see this drop down, and then you'll see I'll probably be able to see all your accounts and then just go into them. But that's up to your discretion. You don't need to share it if you don't want to. Okay. Have fun.